Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tokir Abid speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. जिनके अपने भी हैं मदाह बे इंतहा, हमने उनको उसका मदाह देखा। गर्दिशे दौरा में बहुत रहनुमा गुजरे, हमने तो फ़कत एक जिन्नाह देखा। Respected teachers and my fellows, 25th December is the day which comes on every year, and this day is celebrated by every Pakistani because this is the birthday of Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We know about the early days of Quaid, which he did spend in Karachi, got early education and went to abroad for higher education. After getting the degree of Bar at Law, he reached back to his homeland and did start his practice as a barrister. जब सब सही है तो किस बात की परेशानी है, हम सब हैरान हैं और अजब वजह हैरानी है। जो खुद ऐशो इशरत में पला, जिसका हर अंदाज सुल्तानी है, उस मर्द मोमिन ने आज अपने ज़मीर की मानी है। जिस दम सभी प्यासे हैं, जामे आसाइश क्यों पीऊँ, सबको मुसीबत में अकेला छोड़ के जो जीऊँ तो क्यों जीऊँ। Quaid Azam couldn't see the miserable plight of Muslims who were becoming a victim of cruelty. Their freedom had been snatched by inhuman rulers and the doors of progress had been shut for them. Then he decided to take the charge by his own. He started the paperwork. He tried to know the basic reason by which Muslims were being defeated in every field, and at last he concluded that Muslims had neither education nor discipline in them. Quaid raised the slogan, Unity, Faith, Discipline, and then the movement for freedom was started. The color of sky turned from black to red. Muslims, along with their chaste women and innocent children, came out of their homes. They went area to area, and the noise was, Leke rahenge Pakistan, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता क्या, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। Each big movement needs red color, so that impact was also prevailed. When during the large migration in the history of the world, each corner of street was reddened with the blood of Muslims. There was no war, but Muslims were being cut down. They were being punished to raise the slogan in the light of two-nation theory. Pakistan came into existence on 14th August 1947. Quaid Azam became the first Governor General. He proved that मेहनत जिसका शार हो, उसने काम से क्या डरना। जब मन में लगन सच्ची हो तो अंजाम से क्या डरना। जब राहे हक पे चलना हो, जब हर मैदान में लड़ना हो, सर धड़ की बाजी लग जाए, तब क्या जीना, तब क्या मरना। Quaid Azam provided a leadership in that era when everybody was desperate. He did fight the case of Pakistan with the help of pen. He proved that the power of pen and paper is more than that of weapon. On the other hand, he proved that a pen can do what a sword can't. Today, this is the time to remember that great work which was done by Quaid Azam and to take the right lesson from his sayings. ए बाबा कौम तुझसे वफा कर न सके, ए बाबा कौम तुझसे वफा कर न सके, रूहें बेचैन मगर जिस्म अभी जिंदा हैं, हम तेरी बात को ना मान के पछताए बहुत, तेरे मुजरिम हैं, तेरी रूह से शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे मुजरिम हैं, तेरी रूह से शर्मिंदा हैं।